Hi, I'm Noah from Glowsense, and before becoming an entrepreneur, I was a technology transfer professional at a research university.
Stefan Arnold, I had an '07 manufacturing license, so building custom guns, had a few little patents before starting up Glowsense a couple years ago with Noah. So Glowsense is kind of a hub for innovation, and if you look at it, on paper it's a holding company for intellectual property.
A new opportunity from Marine Corps for defense technology hit the streets, and at that point Stefan and I immediately recognized the kind of talent and skill that each could bring to the table in solving this problem.
I was working on my own products and doing customer discovery around that. That was the focus of our first builder program, which we participated in together. And I think, Noah, you were doing pretty similar. What was it? What was the idea?
A high-power microwave.
Yes, he found a potential opportunity for us to work together, and that was a complete mindset shift. Basically, I quit doing what I was doing, Noah quit doing what he was doing, and we recognized that we had a customer with a need that was willing to pay.
My biggest mind shift change occurred when I stopped being so focused on the tech and started caring about the customers and their problems. It opened up a whole new world of opportunity for us.
Two completely different personality types. Like Noah is very technically minded, where I take a more business approach and relationship approach to things. So I think those two personalities balance each other out.
After we started talking to people and we started hearing a repeat of certain stories of certain pain points, it became very easy to become invested in this problem and seeing it through to a solution. That becoming involved with the customer's problems and how they wanted to see it solved really opened up our technical abilities, because now we knew what we were really trying to fix.
So one of the builder's mantras is being constraints are a gift. Engineering background, you always have constraints and then restraints. I like to say that's the box that you can and you design and build in.
The amount of money and schedule we were put on was very specific, and so that defined a very clear box for us that we were able then to operate inside of.
So it was just taking a technology that Noah has been working on for the last 20 years and then making it fit in this box that the Marine Corps gave us.
The most single validating thing was seeing that we had been selected as the sole provider of phase 2 and beyond. That really made us feel that we were now in a position to deliver to the Marine Corps a solution that fit their needs.
Most entrepreneurs have the goal of making money. Well, that's pretty broad. You need to narrow that down, and what's that path to make money? Let's look at all the funding we've talked about, garnered up until this point. So one, I think the first program we got funding for that was non-dilutive, which if you've got funding that's dilutive, that means someone gets a piece of your company, and then non-dilutive is it's a grant. It's free money that you don't have to pay back. What's SBIR?
So SBIR, hey, it's free non-dilutive capital. Awesome. It is also documentation, bureaucracy, paperwork intensive, so be prepared. And what SBIR basically states is there's a federal agency that wishes the world was a certain way. And they're inviting small businesses to say, hey, we're not there yet, but there's research, there's work we can do that'll bridge the gap and get us there. So the Marine Corps is asking for a defense technology at a certain level. Does that exist? No. But could we design and build it? Yes. So we told the Marine Corps, hey, look, this is a world that you can have, that we can build for you. And then you use that funding, non-dilutive, to bring about the kind of products, goods, and services that you're trying to develop as a company that meet the need of the federal agency.
So what we did is we took a very broad range of potential solutions, narrowed that down to approximately 280, and then from that narrowed it even further, tested those in the similar type application, and then had video proof, pictures, the whole nine, to show that yes, this indeed is possible.
With our testing, we got over 10,000 data points on our phase 1. We had a shared vision of testing being our path to success throughout the program. Paper studies are great. Real product in the hands of potential customers is far superior. Louisiana Technology Transfer Office.
Oh,
LTTO.
Okay, yeah, Hutch has been huge with this, and then several other local Acadiana companies who do business in this space that most people don't even know about. But everything from mentorship to the ability to make product or develop products that would enable us to make our product more efficiently and effectively, and it's been huge. And it's not just a developing business; it's a relationship thing, right? So as far as mentors go, Opportunity Machine, and everyone that works here has been a mentor. So up until this point, and then they're just an invaluable resource for connecting with other mentors, some of whom have become friends and personal acquaintances to this day that can reach out and ask questions to.
The resources of OM are, hey, the building is great. 90% of the value is the people, because the people are that valuable.